How to set up email on Cloudways and WordPress. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'll show you how to set up a Gmail account, how to set up your Cloudways account to send email from your Gmail account, how to add an email address from your domain to your Cloudways account, and how to send email from your domain through your Gmail account. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will. How to set up email on Cloudways and WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is set up a Gmail account. So I'm setting up Clicky websites at gmail.com. Put all your details in and click next. Click I agree. Continue to Gmail, and that's your welcome screen to show that you've set up on Gmail. So next you want to go to Cloudways and you want to either sign up with Google, GitHub or LinkedIn, or your email and password and login. So once you're in Cloudways, just click on servers, choose the server that you want the email to be associated with, then click on SMTP, click on the drop down, so your own SMTP, and drop down again and go other, and then this is where you need to put in the Gmail details. So allow access to Google accounts, if you want to click there, and then just click on continue to give Google access. Account access enabled. Then this is how you configure Gmail on the SMTP add-on. Just those instructions. Basically what you need is smtp.gmail.com or 587, and then your username, password, and save. That should give you that note that it's configuring. Then you want to click on this button up here, click on add-ons, and Rackspace email, you want to click on this little pencil, and then you want to go add more emails, and then I want to add ryan@clickywebsites.com, and I've just set to set up a catch-all that all emails will go to that ryan@clickywebsites.com. Then click Save Changes. And once that's been activated by Cloudways support, they'll send you an email saying how to access the online webmail of your new email account, and then also an article of how to update your MX records. So this is the article about updating your MX records. So these are the details here you'll now need to update. So you want to log back into Cloudflare and go to DNS. Now these are old MX records from, in my particular case, Namecheap, so I want to delete all those. So click on the X and then confirm that you want to delete it. So I've deleted all those MX records. Now I want to add MX at MX1 at the email server, add record. So a couple of screens ago when I showed you all those MX records, you want to add them all in here. So these are all the records that I was required to add that will be added in to Cloudflare. Now I'm going to go into my WordPress admin and I'm going to go to my Ninja Forms plugin, and I'm going to go to the dashboard, and I'm going to copy that shortcode. I'm going to go to Pages, All Pages, and I'm going to go on my Contact Us page, and there I want to go edit with right. Wow. What I'm doing here is I'm just putting the Ninja Forms in, within the WordPress version. Then I'm clicking on the link there. So I'm just putting in my name, email, and a message and submit. But it says here the form was submitted successfully. but I didn't get that email, so I'm going to further configure things to try and get it to work. So plugins, add new. I'm going to go mail SMTP. So this is an email plugin that you can add. I'm just going to install now, activate. Then WP mail SMTP. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go, my from email is clickywebsites@gmail.com. My from name is Clicky Websites, and then use the PHP mail function to send emails. Save changes. So I'm now going to send a test email, send test. And then after that I'm going to go into settings and general, and I'm going to change the admin email address to my new email address here, clickywebsites@gmail.com. Hit save changes, and then if I log into my clickywebsites@gmail.com, I can see they've sent me an email to say that new admin email address. So basically the email address has been updated. Click this link to check it out. Now I'm going to fill in this form again to see if that's fixed everything. So my name, email, just another test, and submit. Just confirm the email has been submitted. So yep, I've now received that email. New message from Ryan. So clickywebsites@gmail.com. So test to see Gmail is working. So now within Gmail, I want to click on the settings, and accounts and import. I'm going to go add another email address, Ryan Huff, and then Ryan@clickywebsites.com. Then I'm going to go next. So this is where I want to add in my smtp@gmail.com, port 587, username, password, add account, and then I need to add the verification code in here, and then click verify. So that's all done. So you can see that that website's now set up, and I want to use this setting, reply from the same address the message was sent. So now if I go into my Gmail, I can see that, and I click on this down arrow, I can see that I have the option to now send email as ryanhuff@clickywebsites.com. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.